Hello and welcome to another MCO update on gold. We take a look at the updated chart for gold, and we're still moving kind of in this range here overall. The price has failed to follow through directly to the downside. The resistance zone that I shared with you yesterday was broken to the upside, and that was the signal that a larger, let's say a larger corrective rally, at least that's my current view, is already unfolding. In this case, we're talking about the B wave, okay, that's already unfolding. I wanted to see a few more downside adjustments in the A wave before this B wave, but for now, the broader picture is still unchanged. Third wave likely topped in April. We could be in this wave 4 correction, but we seem to be already in the B wave, okay? The move down does look a bit incomplete, so I had to label it as a WXY structure and not as an ABC pattern, because my view was that this here could have been an A wave, a B wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C, for example, or there was an option for a triangle as well, but the market moved too high for that, so I have to assume that we're already in this B wave, and the wave count to the upside is it's classed as an ABC structure, yeah, because this would be circle wave B in the white scenario. If this B wave forms a top, then we need to see a break below certain levels to confirm that further. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But what I actually want to say is that there is a potential that after this initial rally that started on the 1st of May, we get a corrective pullback and another high. I mean, the resistance area is clearly documented on the chart. So the B wave can technically use the entire resistance area. It could technically even overshoot. But if we really, well, it's possible. But therefore, I won't confirm a top until we have confirmation for it. For now, the short-term trend is up, and we want to talk about it in a minute. But for anybody who's maybe new, the context is that this was an A wave. This here could be a B wave. Okay, it could form a larger B wave, but then we get a C wave down. And that's not a bearish chart for gold. No, that just means that we're likely in a wave 4 correction, and we get one more rally in a fifth wave to the upside before really a long-term top has formed. That's at least my view. I have not called a major top yet, but my view is that the third wave could have topped. That's what I'm leaning to at the moment. And we're simply working on a fourth wave correction, which could lead to one more high. But this correction could take several weeks, of course. So looking at the nano structures then, the idea is that this is an ABC structure to the upside, because we're working on the B wave, which is either done in a direct fashion or as a larger ABC structure. In the very short term, it seems like we're working on this internal C wave, which should be a 5-wave move. And we have waves 1, 2, and potentially already the third wave completed, fourth wave, and one more high could send us to the 50% retracement at 3,356, or even the 61.8 retracement at 3,392. So these are the next upside levels to watch there. And it would take a break below upper micro support and below $3,299 to suggest that the market has actually formed a local top, and it will then be the structure of the next move down that will tell us, is it the yellow count or the white count? Now, this here, in my opinion, what we've seen so far is a little weak for the B wave. So either we go a little higher more directly, I'd say ideally to the golden ratio level there, or it forms a wider B wave. So, but yeah, until we break below 3,299, that micro support level, there's no confirmation that even a local top has formed. So for now, I'm watching for higher, and resistance is, the 50% and the 61.8 retracement. There's also some structural resistance here. These previous swing highs here from Monday, the 28th of April, and the X-wave high from the 24th of April, pretty much exactly where these Fibonacci levels are. So 3,356 and 3,392. That's my latest update on gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on gold, but also the S&P 500, NASDAQ, silver, stocks, and lot more. Check out our stocks membership. I've linked it in the description. It's also in the comment section, and here you get additional updates about gold. I'm updating gold now at least a day, once a day here. In addition, also before the video comes out, usually you will get an update. That's an additional bonus now in the stocks service, which is now new. So yeah, gold and silver was not covered before. I also plan to include platinum and palladium there now in case you're interested. So yeah, check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.